Ag choru na lapa. So you can probably guess that means making the bed. Ag choru na lapa. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I am first going to just read it through without stopping. Then I'm going to look at some of the vocabulary, so some of the words that might be new to you. Then I'm going to read it again. Okay? And the second time reading it, I'm going to take a little break after each sentence to give you a chance to repeat it after me. Okay? So again, I'm going to read it through without stopping. Then I'm going to look at all the words. Then I'm going to read it again, stopping after each sentence. And as well as that, guys, the words that are new to us, I'm going to write a list of them up on the home page as well. Okay, there's 2 or 3 words there that will be very much new to you. Okay, so ag choru na lapa, making the bed. Vi niv ag choru na lapa. Vi ushin ag cewru lei. Chur siad brálín an tucht. Chur siad brálín eile an laba. Chur siad blancéid an laba. Chur siad quilt an laba. Bhí rá fillúr an gcathaoir. Thosaigh níomh agus uisín ag trid leis na pillúir. Bí cuaireamach sa níomh. Búfaigh mé an trid seo sa uisín. Bhí a lán cleití ag teacht amach as na pillúir. Bhí cleití ag ngach áit. Chúla mammy an rac. Tháinig si isteach sa seomra. Thug si iad béal do na páistí. Ná bígí ag trid leis na pillúir sa mammy. Curraigí na pillúir an laba agus glonigí an seomra. Okay, so ag choru na lapa, we have already, is making the bed. Bhí uisín ag cewru lei. Ag cewru means helping. So ag cewru leihi, ag helping her. Okay? If it was ag cewru leis, it would mean helping him. But ag cewru lei, helping her. Okay, so chur siad brálín an tucht. Brálín is a sheet. And a tucht is a mattress. Okay? A brálín is a sheet, and a tucht is a mattress. So chur siad brálín an tucht, they put a sheet on the mattress, and chur siad brálín eile an laba, and put another sheet on the bed. Okay, chur siad blancéid an laba. So blancéid, blanket. Chur siad quilt an laba. Quilt being a quilt. Agus bhí rá fillúr an gcathaoir. You can see them there. 2 pillows on the chair. Bhí rá fillúr an gcathaoir. So thosaigh níomh agus uisín ag trid, fighting. Bí cuaireamach sa níomh, which means be careful. Búfaigh mé an trid seo, I will win. Búfaigh mé, I will win. Okay, so the next we have bhí a lán cleití ag teacht amach as na pillúir. Cleití are feathers. Okay, ag teacht amach. So bhí cleití ag ngach áit, feathers everywhere. Chúla mammy an rac. Okay, on rac is, there's no exact translation for it. It is a word, because sometimes there's no actual English translation to some words. They are just words. Okay, and rac is a word that means, you know, commotion, noise, madness, racket. Okay, I suppose that would be the closest one. Okay, she heard the racket on rac. Okay, so just that whole thing, you know, that general noise of people messing and wrecking the place. Okay, Chúla mammy on rac. Thug she I de bail de apostí. I de bail means like, you know, to give out. So hug she I de bail. She gave out to the apostí. Okay. Okay, so glonagi means for more than one person to clean up. Okay, so I'll write a few of them up on the homepage for you to have, and I'm going to read it again one more time, and I'm going to pause after each sentence to give you a chance to repeat. Bhí níomh ag cóirú na lapa. Bhí uisín ag cóirú lei. Chuir siad brálín ar an tocht. Chuir siad brálín eile ar an labba. Chuir siad blancéid ar an labba. Chuir siad quilt ar an labba. Bhí rá fillúr ar an gcathaoir. Thosaigh níomh agus uisín ag tríd leis na pillúir. Bí cúr amach ar sa níomh. Búfaigh mé an tríd seo ar sa uisín. Bhí a lán cleití ag teacht amach as na pillúir. Bhí cleití I ngach áit. Chúla mammy an rack. Tháinig sí isteach sa seomra. Thug sí I de bail de na páistí. Ná bígí ag tríd leis na pillúir ar sa mammy. Cuirigí na pillúir ar an labba agus glonigí an seomra. Okay, so that's all for today. Just a reading exercise. Don't worry about any of this. No writing, okay? So just reading, okay? And you know how much I love when you send me in your voice notes. Okay? So, slán go fóill.